Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming key prerequisites. Make sure you are signed into your Samsung account on the missing phone and that location and Find My Mobile are enabled. Open Settings, search Find My Mobile, and toggle Remote Controls and Offline Finding. This allows Samsung to locate the device. Once done, note that the phone must be online, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the service can receive a locate request. Now move to the web or another Samsung device. On the Samsung Find My Mobile site or app, sign in with the same account and pick the target device. Tap Locate to get a map position and understand why live tracking is helpful for moving phones. If you need immediate attention, choose Ring to play sound or Lock to prevent access. Wipe is last resort because it removes remote access. Make sure to check the timestamp of the location, and if real time fails, use the last known location to narrow your search area. Once you have a location, act. If the phone is nearby, use Ring and then move toward the signal while watching the map. Bluetooth can help refine distance. If recovery isn't immediate, lock the phone and display a contact message so a finder can return it, and enable SIM protection to block new SIMs. If Samsung can't locate it, the device is likely offline. Make sure offline finding was enabled earlier so future searches can locate it, even when not connected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.